In today's video, we are going to talk about a very important topic: content writing for SEO. After all, what is the most important thing to rank on Google? The answer is simple: content. Your keyword research might be perfect, your backlinks might be strong, but if the content is weak, ranking becomes difficult. So let's begin and understand what SEO-friendly content writing really means and how to do it step by step. Step 1. Understand your audience. First, understand who you are writing for. Your content is not written for Google, it is written for users. Let's take an example. If your topic is Best Laptops for Students 2025, you should think about questions like: what are students searching for? What problem are they trying to solve? Is price more important or performance? Once you understand user intent, your content automatically becomes more useful and more likely to rank. Tip: search your keyword on Google and read the top 5 results. See what they cover and think about what you can explain better. Step 2. Structure your content properly. Good content does not mean writing very long paragraphs. Your content should have a clear and organized structure. Always remember this basic structure. 1. Introduction. A short overview of the topic with an engaging hook. 2. Body divide. The main information into clear sections. For example, price range, battery life design, and performance recommendation list. 3. Conclusion. A short summary plus a call to action. Example: if your budget is under 50,000 rupees, HP Pavilion could be the best option. Tip: add headings, H2 or H3, after every 2 to 3 paragraphs. This improves both readability and SEO. Step 3. Make it easy to read. Google gives a lot of importance to content readability. If users can easily understand your content and spend more time on your page, your rankings can improve naturally. Follow these simple tips. Use short paragraphs, 2 to 3 lines. Use bullet points and numbering. Highlight important keywords. Use simple words and avoid complicated jargon. Add visuals like images or infographics. Example: instead of writing, utilize laptop peripherals for enhanced productivity. Write something simpler like: use a mouse and keyboard to work faster. Simple writing always works better. Step 4. Write unique and valuable content. Google does not like duplicate or copied content. Your content should always be original and valuable. Try to add a unique angle, useful insights, or updated data. This is what helps your content stand out from the competition. Tip: add your own opinions, real experiences, or reliable statistics from trusted sources. Step 5. Add SEO elements. While writing your content, keep some basic SEO elements in mind. Use your primary keyword in the title, introduction, and headings. Use related keywords or synonyms naturally. Example: best laptop can also include top notebook or college laptop. Add internal links to other related pages on your website. Also include outbound links to trusted sources like official websites or Wikipedia. These signals help Google understand that your content is well-connected and authoritative. Step 6. Keep your content updated. Modern SEO is not a write once and forget forever strategy. You should update your content regularly. For example, if you wrote an article in 2023 called Best Laptops for Students, you should update it in 2025 with new models, updated information, and fresh data. Google prefers updated content because users are always looking for the latest information. Example: recap, laptop blog. Let's take a quick example. You are writing an article called Best Laptops for Students 2025. Your structure could look like this. Title: Top 7 Best Laptops for Students in 2025. Affordable picks. Intro: a short engaging start with a promise of value. Body sections: best for budget users, best for performance, best for portability. Conclusion: Choose based on your budget and needs. For under 50,000 rupees, HP Pavilion is a great option. With this structure, your content looks informative, organized, and SEO-friendly. Step 7. Write for humans first, then optimize for Google. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is writing content only for Google. But remember this rule forever. Write for people first, then optimize for search engines. If users truly enjoy your content, Google will automatically reward it. So friends, today you learned how to write SEO-friendly content that can rank on Google and provide real value to readers. In the next video, we will talk about keyword placement and optimization.